Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite channel where we cook, clean, learn tips for healthy living while having great fun doing all of this. My name is Linda. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make Owerri soup. That is Ofe Owerri. Ofe Owerri is one of the soup that make them proud. But before I introduce you to the recipe that I will be using for this Ofe Owerri, Onye Owerri say, Ba'ama, oyo mage. Here are the recipes that I will be using for the Ofe Owerri. I've got Ogiri, salt, oporo, lemon, periwinkle, onions, habanero pepper, seasoning cube, palm oil, ede, that is cocoyam, Uzuza leaf, Ukazi leaf, snail, that is eju, dry fish, stockfish, then cow meat, shake, beef, and goat meat. Let's get started. First, I have to add pepper. Cut the onions and add into the blender. Add a little water to enable the blending process. I have already washed the meat and add them into the pot. Now, I will be adding the blended onions and pepper. Yeah guys, I have washed the cocoyam and I'm cooking it in a separate pot. I also washed the stockfish. I'm also cooking it in a separate pot because I don't like cooking the meat and the stockfish together. I will also add seasoning cubes and salt and allow to boil like 15 to 20 minutes before adding water. After 20 minutes, you can see the amount of liquid that the meat produces. I will now add enough water and allow the meat to cook properly. I will also check the cow meat. Add enough water and allow it to cook properly. I have to check the cocoyam from time to time to see if it's done. No, it is not yet done, so I have to continue cooking. I will be washing the snails with lime to stop sliming. Some people use alum or gari to wash their snails, depending on what you want, but I always use lime to wash it. I have to check if the cocoyam is okay. Yes, it's done. Peel and pound the cocoyam in the mortar. If you don't have a mortar, you can use a blender, but make sure your blender is powerful enough. You have to blend a small quantity at a time. Check the stockfish. I have to soak the dry fish with hot water and keep it aside. I will be grinding the oporo and keep it aside. I have to debone the dry fish, clean it thoroughly, and keep it aside. Now, all the ingredients are ready to cook the Ofe Owerri. Let's get started. I have to add snails, palm oil, stir, and cover to boil. Next is to add the cocoyam. Allow it to dissolve before adding other ingredients. The cocoyam has melted, that is the cocoyam has dissolved. Now I will be adding the oporo, dry fish, add stockfish, I will also be adding ogiri, stir and cover. Allow it to cook like 5 minutes. It has been cooking for 5 minutes now, guys. It looks so beautiful. I have to taste for salt. I add a little salt. You can always add salt to your taste. Add periwinkle. Add Ukazi. You can use any other vegetable of your choice. I will also be adding Uzuza leaves. When you add the Ukazi leaves, you cover and allow to cook like 1 to 2 minutes before turning it so that it will be soft. If not, it will be hard. Wow, guys, our Ofe Owerri is ready. It looks beautiful. The Ofe Owerri is yummy and delicious. That is why they said if you don't have money, you can't eat this Ofe Owerri. Onye na-eji ego jiri Ofe Owerri, odokosiele aga. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time of tuning into my channel, please consider subscribing. Turn on my notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. And to my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for always tuning in. See you in my next video. Bye.